Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is the Toolbox restoration project. I've got numerous toolboxes and got a sentimental attachment to one, and that'll be in another video. And this is one that come off the farm. And any of the farm stuff holds a special place in my heart. It's just a good memory. Well, this one's had quite a bit of wear on it. This was my toolbox for sockets and stuff, and it'll probably be that again, but I want to taking all this hinge up real good and spray this and clean it up, and then I'm going to paint it, and I'm going to cover this up. This is a tractor brand that is popular here in the United States. Not as popular as it once was, but that was the last brand new tractor my daddy bought. And then he got out of farming, but this was the toolbox off that tractor. And so I'm going to restore it. I'm going to cover that up because I don't want to lose that logo. It's just a sticker, but I want to keep it. And I'm going to clean it up first, spray it off real good, and then wash it off, and let it dry. Then we're going to paint it. And I'm going to straighten this out. This is just a little touch wonky for me. And all this part back up in here real good. And give it a new life. And I'll carry y'all along with me doing that. But this is the tractor toolbox restoration part 1. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.